नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज मैं आपके सामने क्रिमिनल लॉ से संबंधित मेंस रिया टॉपिक पर मैं कुछ बताने जा रहा हूँ कि व्हाट इज मेंस रिया। मेंस रिया इज ए लैटिन वर्ड विच मीन्स गिल्टी माइंड। इसमें एक मैक्सिम भी है। द लैटिन मैक्सिम इज एक्टस नॉन फेसिट रिउम निसी मेंस रिया। इसका क्या मतलब है? दैट मीन्स एन एक्ट अलोन डज नॉट मेक ए पर्सन गिल्टी अनलेस द माइंड इज ऑल्सो गिल्टी। बीएनएस Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita requires that criminal liability is imposed only when a person commits a wrongful act with the requisite mental element, which could be intention, knowledge, recklessness or negligence. Now, there is a doctrine of mens rea which states that for a person to be held criminally liable, he must have had a wrongful mental state while committing the act. This principle is rooted in the idea that liability should not solely depend on the act itself, but also on the person's intent or state of mind. The prosecution bears the burden of proving this guilty mind. Prosecution के ऊपर ये रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हो जाती है कि वो कैसे गिल्टी माइंड को प्रूफ करे। नाउ applicability in BNS. Culpable homicide, section 100, requires intention or knowledge that the act would likely to cause death, embodying mens rea. Murder, section 101, demands specific intent to cause death or bodily harm, showing a clearly defined guilty mind. Negligent acts, section 106, holds a person liable if death is caused through gross negligence, showing a reckless disregard for life. Common intention, section 3(5), when a crime is committed by several persons in furtherance of a common intention, demonstrating collective mens rea. Criminal conspiracy, section 61, constitute an agreement to commit an illegal act with the intention to engage in unlawful conduct as the key element of mens rea. Cheating, section 1318, requires proof that the accused acted dishonestly to deceive. Defamation, section 356, involves intentional publication of false statement showing a clear intent to harm reputation. Strict liability and exceptions. Some statutory offences under BNS are of strict liability, meaning mens rea is not required, especially for regulatory or public welfare offences. However, for the vast majority of criminal offences, mens rea is presumed unless the statute